Today we'll learn how to use object masking in Adobe Premiere. Select your clip in the timeline. All of Premiere's masking tools are available in the toolbar. Select the Object Mask tool, then move your cursor over the program monitor. Premiere will automatically detect and highlight objects or people in the frame. Click on the object you want to isolate to create the object mask. The first time you use this feature, Premiere will give you a helpful tip about where your mask data is stored on your computer. When the plus icon is active, you can select additional objects to include them in the same mask. When the minus icon is active, you can click on highlighted objects to remove them from the object mask. If your subject is not automatically detected, you can draw a rough rectangle or lasso around it to add it to the mask. Make sure the plus icon is selected when doing this. Depending on your footage, changing the mask overlay color can make the object mask easier to see against the background. Tracking controls for the object mask are located in the Effect Controls panel. When tracking, it's best to start from a frame where the subject is completely visible. Once tracking is complete, you can refine the object mask using options such as feathering, expansion, opacity, or invert, depending on your needs. For this demo, we chose a clip where the subject disappears and reappears. The object masking tool may need help following complex movement. Fine-tune your mask selection by moving the playhead to the moment where your mask is incomplete, and use the plus icon to add the missing assets back to your mask. Track the mask again to solidify your changes. Keep in mind that object mask data is saved externally in a Masks folder located next to your project file. If you move or share your project, be sure to include this folder so the object masking data remains intact. Subscribe for more Adobe tips.